my beautiful people. My name is Princess. Welcome back to my channel Beyond Passions. Sleep is essential to our physical and mental well-being. If you find yourself regularly deprived of night sleep or of good quality sleep, then there are several things you need to know about sleep. But today, I'm going to start with your bedroom setting. If you find yourself regularly deprived of good quality night sleep, there are many things you ought to do to find a lasting remedy, depending on what is actually depriving you of sleep. But first, in this video, let us begin with your bedroom setting. I am going to present you with 8 tips that will make your bedroom more comfortable and inviting for better sleep or for quality sleep. Number 1, create and maintain a sleep-inducing bedroom. Focus on making it a place of comfort and relaxation with your own right colors or with the colors that you are comfortable in. Number 2, declutter your bedroom. The freer your bedroom space, the lesser stress, the better sleep. In other words, get rid of unnecessary things from your bedroom and keep it clean. Number 3, ensure that your bed is comfortable for you and your body type. Use high performance mattress and pillows to support your spine and eliminate aches and pain. Number 4, choose quality bedding with the right colors. Your bed sheets, blankets, duvet covers make your bed more inviting. Number 5, avoid excess light. You may black out your curtains or use a mask to cover your eyes. Number 6, create the right and agreeable temperature for your bedroom. Your bedroom should not be too hot or too cold. That will cause a distraction and make you uncomfortable when you want to go to sleep. Number 7, nurture peace and quiet. If you like to fall asleep with music, keep it low. Turn it down. Keep noise to the barest minimum to avoid distraction. You may use earplugs or earphones if you can't help the noise from neighbors. And number 8, use pleasant aromas. A light scent can help calm you into relaxation and sleep. You may use essential oils like lavender for your bedroom. If you are the type who uses music to induce your sleep, I have created some calming and relaxation music. Some of them are with psalms. Some of them are just plain calming and relaxation music, soothing music, healing music, music that will help you sleep for many hours, for long hours. If you would like to use one of my calming or relaxation music, there are links in my description. If you are still watching me up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, why not do so right now before you forget? Also, please like, share, and comment. I'd like to hear from you. Let me know what you think about making your bedroom more comfortable and inviting for you. See you in my next video, and please stay safe.